What up, gamers? What up, y'all? Today we're gonna try to blacksmith a low carbon railroad spike, fashion it into a kind of blade. We're gonna see how well that works. Here's the forge we're gonna work with. Basically built a circle. We're gonna have a pipe going into it. Been cooking the fire for a bit. Now it's nice and hot. Probably been like an hour, 2 hours, because I decided to start the fire in a puddle, as you can see here. Oh, we got some embers going. See the railroad spike? Oh, sorry, the camera's a little cold. Railroad spikes in there. A bag of charcoal. This would have been like 1,000% easier, but we're doing it the hard way. I'm gonna blow into. Okay. It's definitely getting hotter. We're gonna try this too. Tomahawk, best axe. Nice and portable. Look at that steamy. Okay. Arigato gozaimasu. I've had no food. Well, that's a lie. I had a snack today. All right, let's try this. Oh. All right. Oh yeah, look at that. There we go. Railroad spike in the middle. Oh, fogged up the lens. First time amateur. There we go. Railroad spike in the middle. Whoops, I stopped recording my mistake. Railroad spike there. TP. We're gonna blow it in. See if we can get it nice and red hot. We just want to let a little blade profile. I don't have the material currently to make it big. Red hot. Getting flatter. Honestly, whoa, it smells really bad. All right, that's what we got. We're gonna probably use a angle grinder and buff it out and whatnot. But all in all, for a day's work, not shabby considering I didn't really know what I was doing. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you later.